guys, my name is Luca and today we will be playing Space Engine. So this is a very cool space game where you can explore the whole universe, and today we will be exploring the Milky Way galaxy. So this is the galaxy that we are now inside of in the real world. So today we will be exploring it. In the next episode we will be exploring the Andromeda galaxy, so make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss that. And without further ado, let's go. So, let's fly inside of this Milky Way galaxy. And now these all dots, these are all stars in our galaxy. So let's find a cool one, I guess. Let's check out this one. RS8513. So this is the star. You see, pretty bright. The temperature is like really high, as you can see here. Temperature. Now, all of these planets are orbiting this star. So, let's go to this planet right here. Wow, this is a cool planet. Okay, it has a very thick atmosphere. It's a red planet. Yeah, the atmosphere is like really thick. When I remove it, the planet looks totally different. So let's land on here. Let's land on this planet. You know what? It's easier when I just press the button. And here we go. Wow, the atmosphere is so thick that you can't see anything outside. Wow, when I remove it, it looks beautiful. Like, I have never seen a pink planet in my entire life, bro. But this looks pretty as heck. Okay. Let's land on another planet. Okay, what is that? Two balls. Okay, this looks stupid. It has an atmosphere and clouds. Okay, wait, is this an aurora borealis? Wait, let's land right here. Wow, this is actually pretty cool. Wow, like that looks pretty cool. But with the atmosphere, you can't see crap. So yeah, this is like just a water planet. So like, there's not really anything here. But yeah, that is pretty cool. So let's find another star, shall we? Oh, what is that? That's a nebula. Okay. Oh, let's go over there. Wow. That's actually super dark. Okay, wow, this I have never saw like this type of nebula before. This is so dark. And all you can see is just this red stuff. That's a cluster. So if you don't know what a star cluster is, that's like basically a lot of like stars like on the same place. But like this nebula is so dark. This is the only thing that you see. Okay, I found this star. And a few planets actually orbit it. So let's go on this one. Ooh. Okay, so it has an atmosphere. It has a lot of clouds. But yeah, let's land on this planet. Ooh. Okay, wait, let me just turn off. I don't know why, but I like planets more when they like don't have an atmosphere, because then I can see the space. But actually from this planet you would not see crap, because like we're in this dark nebula, you know, and like everything is super dark. So yeah, like it would not be really like cool living like here because of this nebula. So yeah. Bye bye. You know what, guys? Let's try to find another nebula. because like they usually look pretty cool. Oh, I see one. Yeah, let's go there. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This nebula looks cool. Oh, and this is another cluster right here inside of it. Wow. This time it should not be that hard to see stars on the planets because we are now in a bright nebula and there is no dark. Oh, let's go here. Okay, this planet is egg-shaped, which is actually very cool. I mean, it's kind of egg-shaped when you look at it like this. So this is a gas giant, it seems. Yeah, this is a gas giant. Gas giants are not that interesting, guys, because you just cannot stand on them because they're gas giants. But looks like Super Terra. Okay, so we should be able to land on this planet. Okay, its atmosphere is orange, which is pretty cool. It should look cool from the surface of the planet. Wow, this is actually very cool. If we turn off the atmosphere, we will see this. What's that? Oh, those are clouds. Wow, that's a lot of clouds. Jesus Christ. These are all clouds. Guys, this is incredible. Okay, this is the dark side of the planet. I mean, the night side. This is an actual pretty weird planet, guys. It's actually pretty cool. It has moons, though. What is this, guys? This is this is one of the coolest shapes I have ever seen. This is just a hot asteroid that somehow got into the orbit of this planet. Wow, this is so cool. Oh crap. Oh, oh. Okay. What? Okay, I'm somehow inside of this moon. Okay, I got out. Okay, nice. Well, from this moon, we actually have a pretty cool view of this planet. You know, if we could live on this moon, it would be cool, like, at every morning you just wake up and see this. That's very cool. But, yeah, this is, like, this planet and this moon. And this system, I guess. I mean, I'm not just explore every planet because that would take some time. But yeah, this is this nebula. Pretty cool. Ooh, wow. 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 Guys, look at this nebula right here. You know, we should stop looking at the nebulas. We've just already seen two nebulas. Let's click on a random star. Okay, eyes closed. Okay, looks like we're going to this star. Okay, it's pretty small, looks like. Look, there is the small Magellanic Cloud. That's another galaxy. We will explore that galaxy in another video, but wow, these are actually two binary stars. That means that they orbit each other. That's actually very cool. But there is not like a lot of planets here. Oh my gosh! This planet has a lot of moons. 14 moons! Jeez! Look at all these moons! Let's go to this one. Okay, this is another asteroid. I love exploring these asteroids because like they're already I mean, not already. They always have a fun shape. Like, they look usually like an egg or just like, I don't know, like these weird shapes that I don't know the name of. Yo! Guys, this is crazy. Bro, we have a great view at this nebula right here. Why is my camera rotating? Why is my damn camera rotating? Okay. But look at that view. Wow. That's crazy. Ooh, wait a second. What is that? That's just another moon. I thought that was a star. Oh, wait. What is this orange dot right there? That's another star. Oh, jeez, that's a bright star. Okay, it has like a rocky shape. And yeah, guys, we can land on stars. Wait, this is actually a pretty small star. Wow, that's scary. But this star has just a mass of 10 of our moons, which is actually pretty small for a star. But yeah, as people say, a star is a star. It has some planets orbiting. Wow! What is this? Jesus Christ! Whoa! This planet is burning! Wait, no, I do not want to land on this moon. I want to land on this planet! Jeez! Okay, now. Yeah, this planet is just another gas giant. But hey, like, it's very hot in here. Like, because it's super close to its star. And, like, you can actually see, like, matter falling off the star. Like, all of these dots. That's very cool, guys. That's actually very cool. Oh my gosh! I just got jump scared for a second by this star. And guys, to end this video out, in Space Engine, if you select a galaxy and then press Ctrl G, then you can actually go to the center of that galaxy and see it's like black hole or a center star. And let's do that right now. Let's go. It takes like 19 seconds to go to the middle. But yeah. Here is a cluster. And here should be the black hole somewhere. Now, okay, now, here it is. Here it is, the center black hole of our galaxy. Wow, that's very cool. Whoa. Let's enter it. Let's enter it. Let's go slower. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait. Wow. Okay, that was a little freaky, okay. But yeah, that's the black hole. It like a lot of planets are orbiting it. I mean, a lot of stars are orbiting it. And that is pretty cool. So yeah, guys, that's our galaxy, the Milky Way. In the next episode, we will be exploring the Andromeda galaxy. Here is that galaxy. So we will be exploring it in the next episode, but yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video so you don't miss the next one, and bye, I guess.